So guys, let's start now. To calm down, let me introduce the channel. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Uyi here, and today's video I'm here with Wale. Please introduce yourself.
My name is, I go by the name Wale, also Wolo.
You guys was that CD from the Airpods video.
Also, anything man, I can just call myself Vaseline.
Yeah, and I don't actually know why it's shirtless, but either way, we're creating a video. So yeah, in today's video, we're going to be showing you guys if Apple were actually being honest with us. Welcome everybody. My name is Uyi. I am the youngest CEO of Apple. Like, I took over from Tim Cook a few moments ago. So basically, he's going to be interviewing me and I'm going to be answering him honestly.
Yes. That's why I'm the hammer, so if he lies, no one's going to
I'm actually scared. Guys, stop.
Number one, what inspired the iPhone 12 design?
So you can see that the iPhone 12.
Yes.
Nothing changed from iPhone 11. We just recycled the iPhone 5 design. If you understand. And we put one other sensor behind the camera.
What sensor is that?
One black thing.
What
it's
does
just
it do?
there. To be honest, in real life, nothing. But we tell people it's for LiDAR scanning. You understand?
Oh.
So yeah, it's just to add new features. Yes. Make guys believe that it makes sense.
So but if we're basically SARS.
No, we're not lying now.
We're SARS.
We're being honest.
Question 2.
What?
Question 2. Why iPhone 12 mini? So that iPhone 12 mini bar,
yes,
is small as, and I don't think anybody in natural sense, God-given sense,
yes,
if you not artificial, gets God-given sense,
yes,
will buy that phone. So why?
Okay, so the real reason why, how that phone came about, I was on the toilet.
On the toilet?
Yes.
Okay.
And I thought to myself, how can we make an iPhone smaller? Like, deep. Isn't it deep? Think about it. The iPhone is small. Yes. So how can we make it smaller but yet bigger? Oh, come on, yeah.
Question. Well, so yes, I plank you.
So we said we'll give you the iPhone 12 design, but the screen will be smaller. So it has a bigger screen than the iPhone 8, but a smaller body. Think about it. The iPhone 8, the design is not like the iPhone 12 because it doesn't have bezels.
Yeah. Does it have what?
Bezels.
Let me be honest, I don't know what that means, so just
the big up and those black things now, those big black things. So yeah, so that is the concept. Think about it. It's still expensive, yes, but it's cheap.
How?
Apple standards.
Okay.
That's
moving
our
on,
newest,
moving on.
cheapest iPhone.
Moving on, because moving on. Well, I've established that they are SARS already, so let's move on. Why are iPhones not shipping with charger?
Because most people buying iPhones already have chargers, and obviously, we're shipping charger to you to still spoil, and you still buy it. So what's the point? What's the point of us wasting time? How many? Think about it. How many iPhone users buy chargers every month? Most of them do. So why are we wasting our time?
This question is not here. Me, I'm just being real with the people. Why do you not make it like that? Why do you make the charger very easy to spoil?
Because we know we're Apple, and whatever we do, people just do it because we are Apple.
Tell them, let them hear it.
So yeah, basically, you guys can't do nothing to us. Whatever we make, you buy. So we're Apple, yeah.
SARS. Number 4. What are the new features of iPhone 12? Tell us, and tell us well so that
Okay, so it has exactly the same display with the iPhone 11.
Exactly the same.
Like,
no difference at all.
Are you saying that is mad? The iPhone 12
no
Pro.
Push me.
I'm sorry.
No push me. You be SARS, we don't establish that one.
The iPhone 12 Pro and 11 Pro, exactly the same display, no difference. Okay, so when we look at the camera at the back, the design is different. Do you know why? Because the smartphone design is different. It has exactly the same type of cameras at the back, but because of our new A14 chip, to tell people, to just make them feel like
what's to the people, what's the A14 chip?
So the A14 chip is the smartest chip on any smartphone, the fastest rather. So it's very powerful. Like, this chip can run more than some laptops. Like, it's that good. So basically, that chip is just what is going to improve the camera. But the camera sensors are just the same.
Okay. So you the way you're even explaining your points and telling us is like maybe you are selling your people out. Like you're just telling us.
No, I'm not selling anybody out.
Okay.
The problem is that we at Apple, we always consider the people first. So
okay,
you can see how we stole almost like our idea for iOS 14. We stole it from Android, and see our fans, they said Apple is mad because we are Apple. We just basically took an Android and said, oh, they have widgets, they have this, and we put it on the iPhone, made it brand new. We created the AirPods.
So you accept that you're a thief?
I accept that.
To the people, are you a thief? Yes or no? Let's not waste their time.
We recreate in our own way, so we're not stealing.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Look at the AirPods, for example. Please, I'm sorry about that. Can you just pass the AirPods? Look at the AirPods. You can see this. It's just earpiece that we made sexy and nice. We can sell it at a cheaper rate, but just because we know our users, we buy it.
Yes.
It's expensive.
And some people are actually doing some kind of things just to buy your product. So the next video self we'll do a debate. Has Apple done more good?
we have done more good
or harm.
So yes, I want to introduce you to our latest product.
What's that?
Our latest product, the Apple Ring. So basically, what this ring does, nothing. What is Apple?
So people,
We buy it. And guess what? It ships at $200.
why?
Because you can see this design is not actually easy to come by, and obviously we're Apple, so we get
Answers.
So yeah, guys, thank you.
Answers.
Thank you guys for watching this interview today. This
very impromptu.
Like, this is bye.
Just end for the video, man.